How are fragile artifacts revealed during archaeological excavation? Imagine uncovering a tiny, delicate object buried for thousands of years and knowing it could break with the slightest touch. That's the challenge archaeologists face when revealing fragile artifacts. The process starts with understanding the layers of soil and deposits at the site, called stratigraphy. By carefully studying these layers, archaeologists can figure out the age and context of what they might find. They remove soil in very thin layers, often just a few millimeters at a time, to avoid disturbing the artifacts or mixing different periods. Every piece of soil removed is documented meticulously, noting its exact position and condition. When archaeologists encounter fragile objects like textiles, leather, or thin ceramics, they use special techniques to protect them. One common method is block lifting. This involves removing a chunk of soil with the artifact still inside. The soil block is carefully stabilized with consolidants, special substances that temporarily strengthen the material, so it doesn't fall apart during transport. These blocks are then taken to a lab where experts can work on them more safely. Another key technique is consolidation. During excavation, conservators apply stabilizing agents, such as gels or adhesives, directly onto fragile objects. For example, a waterlogged wooden artifact might be treated with a gel that solidifies it temporarily, making it easier to lift without damage. These materials are carefully chosen to be reversible, meaning they can be removed later without harming the artifact. Specialized tools also help. Archaeologists use fine brushes, small trowels, and even dental picks to gently remove soil from around delicate objects. Sometimes, they create custom supports or cradles that distribute the weight evenly, preventing stress on weak spots. These supports are often made from soft materials like foam or special plastics. Environmental controls are vital during and after excavation. Fragile artifacts are sensitive to changes in temperature, humidity, and light. To prevent deterioration, archaeologists use shading, moisture barriers, and microclimate storage containers. These containers keep the artifacts in stable conditions until they can be properly conserved. In some cases, the structures surrounding fragile artifacts are also unstable. Temporary supports or braces are installed to prevent collapse during excavation. This ensures both the safety of the team and the preservation of the finds. All these careful steps help preserve the integrity of fragile artifacts. They also allow archaeologists and anthropologists to study these objects in detail later, helping us understand the cultures and lives of people from long ago. Revealing fragile artifacts is a delicate dance of patience, skill, and respect for history, ensuring these precious pieces survive for future generations to learn from.